The fuel for the machine and the fuel for the people. Sawmilling crew. All right. Ravi, Mike, and Mark.
All right, so we're gonna get milling at this, and we'll see how it goes. Anybody want a Jayco? All right, enjoy. What's on the mill today?
Oh, it's his tree.
Yeah, well,
Polonia.
Polonia.
Princess tree.
Named after Princess Pavlovna of Russia.
Oh, all right.
And this tree grew on Quaker Ridge Road.
In
And
Cortland or Croton?
it's Croton mailing address.
Okay.
But I saw it blooming. It has beautiful blue bellflowers. And maybe a few months after that, I saw that it had fallen over.
Ah.
So I was there with my chainsaw.
What are these rings here? Or
It's
what
got
is this?
enormously large annual
Yeah.
rings. Very fast
Wow.
growing.
That's not even the full load. Wave high.
That's fine. Don't go too much further. If these horses hold all this weight, I'll be very amazed. They did. Wow.
And well, there's the finished product.